So let's get into it.
Part of summer is swimming in my pool.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Observation wheel. Hey guys, so you can see Long Beach over here. You can see the beautiful view of it. There's a lot. There's the ocean, the Queen Mary. Pretty cool. There's the parking lot over there. So Dad, how are you enjoying it?
Well, you should see the view of Long Beach. That is the business center of Long Beach where all the cargoes are hauled in, coming from different countries. This is the industry, the business, the economics of LA. And on the other side is the city of Long Beach, where you see all the rich people. Yachts are there, the big buildings.
Here's a look down.
And the dome is the cruise ship dome with the carnival and what are the other cruises?
And there's the food trucks. All the food trucks are lined up right now.
Food truck.
My selfie day now is lit. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. All my pictures look amazing. I glow.
Food trucks.
So guys, I really recommend checking this out. It really gives you a good view of Long Beach itself and the Queen Mary. The Queen Mary is known for one of the most haunted ships in the world, so that's pretty cool to check out. So definitely check this wheel out. It's on here for a month. This is Yum Nums, and remember to just keep exploring.
7:30, wake up, skirt up in the lobby, then proceed to flee. All my people riding in the backseat on the killing speed.
Wait, who that be?
Ready on the count of three, squeeze the G, lead the scene, bouncing like the trampoline.